Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Example 23 and 24. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me see. And 26. Let's see this one right there. And 27 and 28 and 29. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, example 23. Okay, okay, boy is we say X, then girl is 2 times X, double. Then they submit handed 30% hand in, then girl 45 is hand in, so 70% not yet, and this one is 50% not yet of 2X. So 70% not submit yet. So boy of 0.7x not yet for the boy, and 55% still not yet for the girl. So 55% of make sure 2x right there, not x. So this calculation is 0.552 times x. Okay, then they say, okay, so this total is what percent of total student? So total student 3x. So we're gonna 0.7x plus 0.55 times 2x is what percent of 3x? So this thing is, once adding this one is 1.8x equal question times 1 over 100 times 3x. So, and then from here, just x is cancel out right there, then question is 60. So 60% not yet. Okay, next one. Next one is, okay, okay, the sales clerk made a mistake, supposed to be 15% off, but by mistake he added up 15% more. So this price is 1.15x, then actual price should be 0.85 times x. So they say difference is $45. That means, okay, this price minus $45 will be same as 0.85 times x. So we're gonna move this part over there. Then 1.15x minus 0.85x is 45. Also move to this part over there. Then this difference is 0.3x is 45. So x is 150. Okay, number 26. Number 26 number 26 is a very simple problem, but we you have to be familiar with this kind of unit problem. Because in calculus we use so many units. For example, like this, acceleration, velocity is meter divided by second, right? And the acceleration is a meter divided by second square. That kind of things coming from here. So they're trying to test you how you are comfortable with the unit. So they say 300 can. Somebody has a 300 can, worth $1. So 1 can costs X dollar. 1 can cost X dollar, X dollar per can. So the price was increased 20%. So should it be 1.2x dollar per 1 can. So how many can he can buy it? So we have to divide, right? This divided by this. So I'm gonna rewrite this part right there as it is, and the times reciprocal of this, right? So $1, 1.2x, and the 1 can right there. Look at this one. X cancel out right there. Dollar sign cancel out. Okay, this can cancel out right there. So left over is 300 times 1 over 1.2, and the can still can right there. So 300 divided by 1.2 is 250. Can right there, can right there. So 250 can. This example is, let me restate again. You have to be comfortable with the unit change or multiple unit. You have to make how you have to make a calculation. That's what it is. Okay, next one is okay. The art dealer, he bought $1,000, pay $1,000, but resale $10,000. So what percent increase? So we're gonna this kind of sentence into different equation. So 1,000 plus what percent of 1,000 will be 10,000. Okay, that's what it is. So we're gonna change this and rewrite it. 1,000 right there, plus right there, percent right there. Percent value is 1 over 100. Of means times 1,000 right there equal 10,000. So we're gonna move this part over there. Then 1 over 100 times 1,000 is 10. Question right there equal 9,000. So question is 900. So 900% increase. Make sure increase, not what percent of this increase. 900% increase. Okay, next one is okay. Jar A and B has marble. A has X, but B has a 20% more. So jar B has a 1.2x. Then what percent of marble from the B was moved to A? Then they make an equal. They have a jar A and jar B has an equal marble. So X has jar A has X plus X question percent of this, right? So adding question percent of 1.2x equal. So jar B has decrease. This much decrease, right? So 1.2x minus question percent of 1.2x. Okay, then I'm gonna rewrite this one. This part right there equal, and this part right there just like this. So this one and this one the same. So I'm gonna move a whole bundle of this the other side. So that means that is this plus this is 2 times the question of 1 over 100 times 1.2x. Are you sure? Sure about this one? Just like a 3 plus 3 is a 2 times x. Same kind of bundle. This bundle is 2 times this bundle. And the 1.2x, I'm going to move this x over the other part right there. So 1.2x minus x is a 0.2x. Okay? Then question is, we're just looking for the question, right? So look at this, I'm sorry, x cancel out. So we're looking for question. So we're going to move this part over there, divide by 2. 100 times right there each side, and the divide by 1, 2 each side is this. So question is 8.33. So 8.33%. Okay, 29. Okay, Wendy, actually, Andy, she actually drew in a square of x each side. Then she erase it, make it 3 times each in a square. So this is going to be x, this is going to be 3x. So this area is x squared, this is 9x squared. Then question is, what percent increase? What percent increase? Not, okay, what percent increase? Okay, so x squared plus what percent of original x squared become to 9x squared, right? So from here, I'm gonna just change this percent to 1 over 100. Everything remains same. Then I cancel out x squared each side. No, okay, that's right. Each cancel. Or I'm gonna move this part over there. Then question over 100 is 8, right? So question is 800. So 800% increase. Increased by 800%. Okay? That's what it is. Little vocabulary. 오케이. 코드온. 이 코드는 줄이라는 뜻이죠. 코드온 그러면은 이 라인 줄이니까 이 사고 났을 때 경찰이 이렇게 줄 쳐놓는 것도 커전이라고 그래요. 그 다음에 칸당. 다는 donate, 뭐 기부하다 그런 뜻인데 루트는 그런데 아주 클로즈하지는 않아요. 근데 이민이 그래서 칸당 그러면은 오버로 이렇게 눈 감아주다, 용서해주다 그런 뜻이에요. 칸당, 이건 코단, 칸당. 오케이, 헤도니스트는 즐거움만이 인생의 낙이라고 그러는데 헤도는 스윗이니까 스윗. 그 다음에 fetter. 이 fetter는 foot에서 나니까 foot. 그래서 발. 수갑을 얘기해. 옛날에 노예가 발에다가 이렇게 수갑 채웠잖아. 그래서 이게 옛날엔 발수갑이었는데 요새는 fetter 그러면 수갑이에요. myriad. 이거는 10,000이라는 그 수학 용어예요. 그러니까 무지 복잡하고 그렇다는 뜻입니다. 그 다음에 temporal. 이건 템포에서 나니까 템포 시간. 그래서 temporal 그러면 temporal이랑 똑같은 거예요. 일시적인 거 temporal. 오케이? 땡큐.